Few dishes spark joy like a well-made biryani. Today we're cooking two irresistible versions, a fragrant prawn biryani and a royal chicken parda biryani. Let's start with the coastal favorite prawn biryani. First, marinate the prawns with spices and curd and let them rest in the fridge for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, bring water to a boil, add whole spices, mint leaves and salts. Now add the soaked rice and cook until it's 3/4 done. Drain and keep it aside. Now in a deep pot, heat ghee and saute whole spices with sliced onions and salt. Fry until golden and add ginger garlic paste and cook till the onions turn deep brown. Next, add tomatoes, cover and cook till soft. Mix in the spice powders and fry for a couple of minutes. Now add the marinated prawns and cook briefly until just done. Remove half of the masala and keep it aside. Now layer the biryani by spreading the prawn masala at the bottom, then topping it with rice, mint, coriander and saffron milk. Now repeat with the reserved masala, more rice, herbs, fried onions, saffron milk and a splash of rose water. Now seal the pot and let it cook on low heat for 20 minutes. Fluffy rice, juicy prawns and layers of fragrance. Your prawn biryani is ready to serve. Next, we are making the majestic chicken parda biryani wrapped in a crispy bread crust. Begin by marinating the chicken with spices and curd for 30 minutes. Soak the rice for 20 minutes. Now heat ghee in a kadhai, fry whole spices and add the marinated chicken. Cook it gently on low heat for about 10 minutes. Now in another pot, boil water with spices, mint, coriander and a dash of kevra water. Now add the soaked rice and cooked until 75% done. Drain and set aside. Now layer the biryani, spread half the chicken at the bottom, top with half the rice, mint, coriander, saffron milk, kevra water and fried onions. Now repeat with another layer of chicken and rice. Now cover and let it cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, knead a soft dough and roll it out into a large circle a few inches bigger than your kadhai. Now brush the kadhai with oil, place the dough sheet inside and spoon in the cooked biryani. Fold the sides of the dough to seal it completely. Now cook the parda over low heat until golden, then flip it into a tawa to crisp the base. Now crack open the bread crust and inside awaits a smoky aromatic chicken biryani perfect with your favorite condiments. From the sea-kissed flavors of prawn biryani to the royal indulgence of chicken parda biryani, these recipes show why biryani is more than just a meal. It's a celebration in every bite. Which one are you craving today? If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.